Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about problem using search. In last lecture we are already discussed about definitions of AI, history, then we discussed about the production system, waterjet problem, and we discussed about advantage, disadvantage and application. Today we are going to discuss about problem solving using search. So there are four things which is to be concerned to solve a particular problem. There are four steps which are available. With the help of that we are going to solve the AI problem. So what is AI problem? The AI problem which requires knowledge or particular database. With the help of that we are going to solve the given complex problem. So what is knowledge or database? The database or the knowledge is nothing but the if then logic or neural networks or theorems. Okay, so first step is define the problem precisely, analyze the problem. Third, isolate and represent the task knowledge. So here knowledge is nothing but your database, knowledge required to solve the problem. And last one is finally choose the best problem solving technique. With the help of that we are going to solve our particular problem. Now next, problem solving by search. State space search or problem space search. Set of all possible state for a given problem are nothing but state space search, in which we are going to represent various states of the problem from initial to goal state. It is a graphical representation of a given problem. So what is state space search? State space search, it is a problem space search technique. With the help of that we are going to solve the problem or AI problem with the help of graphical manner, and we are going to initialize the node or start node, and here we are going to also find out the goal node or what we can say that decision node. So there are three steps which are available for this same. First one is initial state, set of all legal operation, and last one is final state or goal state. Now how the search problem representation is to be designed or discussed. It is represented like nodes and edges, where initial state to the goal state which is to be represent just like as a tree graph. This thing we are already discussed in a second year. This is nothing but your directed acyclic graph. This is nothing but the representation with the help of graphical representation with the help of nodes and arc. So here there are different nodes are available. A is a initial node or start node, and B is a goal node or destination node. In between that there are different middle nodes are available, that are O, S, C, R, P, F. So what we are going to find out, we are going to reach to the destination node, that is B. But here we have to finalize or here to find out the shortest path. With the help of that, in a maximum, what we can say that how to ignore the maximum node, and we have to reach our destination node in a shortest or what we can say that in a shortest path. Okay, this is for state space graph. Thank you.